Hello, my name is Christina and I play the saxophone. Welcome to our winter concert tonight. The first song is the famous melody Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, composed by the famous Austrian composer Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. You may also recognize this melody when you learned your ABCs or sang Baba Black Sheep. This song demonstrates the wind instruments and the mallet's first 6 notes on their instruments, playing quarter and half notes, along with the flam and buzz rudiments on their snare drum. The song begins with everyone playing the melody, but the second time around, listen carefully as the melody travels along the band, featuring each section.
Bravo.
Is Jingle Bells, originally composed in 1850 under the title One Horse Open Sleigh, but was retitled Jingle Bells 2 years later. In this song, dynamics are introduced, and the percussion are introduced to eighth notes. These are notes that are twice as fast as quarter notes. Hope you enjoy Jingle Bells.
Bravo.
Hello, my name is Parsa and I play the flute. My dreidel is a traditional Hanukkah song. The English lyrics were written in 1927. The song begins with a pickup note that is when a song begins before the first measure. It also has a variety of dynamics we will perform: piano, mezzo forte, and forte. Please enjoy our performance of My Dreidel.
name is Uni and I play the flute. Frère Jacques is a French nursery rhyme that emerged in the 18th century and tells the story of a friar who has overslept and needs to ring the morning bells. The band will play the melody today, but the second time we play the song in a 4-part round to feature each section. Enjoy our performance of Frère Jacques.
Hello, my name is Tess and I play the French horn. Hallelujah Chorus is one of the most famous works in Western music. Composed by German composer George Friedrich Handel in 1751 as part of a larger work, The Messiah. You will hear the famous melodies and is passed around the band along with fanfares and the triangle and crash cymbals in the percussion. At the end of the song, we learned what a cassura is, or railroad tracks, which means a pause in the music, and a ritirando, which means slow down. Enjoy our performance of Hallelujah Chorus.
Hello, my name is Coco and I play the trumpet. Named That Christmas Carol is a clever arrangement that uses our first 6 notes. We have learned to play portions of Christmas carols. Listen carefully as each section plays just 2 to 4 measures of a carol before passing it on to the next section and carol. In this song, we also learn about notes that are tied, repeat signs,
and repeats with first and second endings. So now for the fun part. At the end of the song, we will ask you how many different carols you heard us play, so keep count.